Hi, my name's Juliet, and this week in Shotcut we have even more cover reveal options. Here I have a background layer, and on top of that a track with the background layer and the cover repeated multiple times. If I pull the background colour over the book cover, I get a transition, and I can, therefore, add an effect. There are lots to choose from, and that's for you to play with, but here are a few of them. First is a simple dissolve. Next, I'm going for a diagonal reveal. You can do this with a soft effect or a hard edge. Mosaic snake gives a slightly more interesting pattern of reveal. For me, this is much better with a hard edge. The iris circle expands out from that central point. And finally, there's a clock top reveal, which, as you might have guessed, reveals like the hands of a clock. And this is what they look like in the actual video. There are a lot of options here, if you account for hard and soft edges, and for the eagle-eyed, you may also have noticed the invert the effect in the transition panel, so even more options. Thanks for watching, and if you've subscribed, I'll see you again next time.